Irrfan Khan was a great actor. Is he alive? Let's sing through. Never knew much about Irrfan Khan. Only thing he was a good actor, an amazing actor, and I think that's more than sufficient. What was the name of that movie? I think it was Rogue. Yes. Maine dil se kahan dhoon lana khushi. That was an amazing song. I think the movie wasn't that famous, but we got to know what he was capable of. Few days back, I watched Angrezi Medium. Plot is very simple, but what an acting. He was so fluent and he makes it feel like such a simple thing. Kudos. Is he alive? Yes, most definitely. In his creations. Thank you so much, Irrfan Khan.